Hey Maggie, how you doing today?
Mag's in the house.
Mag's in the house. Cool.
How are you doing, Don?
I'm doing
How are
pretty
you doing?
good, pretty good, and glad to see you again. And looking forward to our little discussion that we're going to have today for the people out there. All right. My name is Don Ivanski, and this is Mags, and I'm the creator and founder of the Achievers Masterclass Program.
Whoop,
It's a
whoop.
five-module program, okay, that allows students, all right, to excel and thrive in school. Well, how do you excel and thrive? Okay, you excel by getting the straight A's, and you thrive by knowing how to communicate properly, effectively, and efficiently. Right? And then there's three other modules: life and people skills. There's one on nutrition, and there's a final one on wealth creation. And because AI has come in now, it's coming in more and more.
Coming in
Then,
hot.
yeah, coming in
Yes,
hot.
AI's
All
coming in
right.
hot.
All right. And if you don't know how to use it, it's like, if you got a hammer, you don't know how to use it, man, you could either, do something very good with it, or you could be very destructive with it. Same thing with AI. So I'm also throwing in that module on that and how to navigate. It's an introduction to AI and how to best use of it.